Now that your seams are locked in and stabilized, it's time for one of the most important steps: stretching, cutting, and securing your turf. This is where everything comes together for that tight, professional finish. Start by stretching your turf away from the seam. Use a carpet kicker to remove any small wrinkles or slack. After each stretch, drive a nail to anchor that tension in place. If you don't have a carpet kicker, don't worry. Do the FT shuffle. That's 2 quick kicks and 1 nail to lock it in. Kick, kick, anchor. Kick, kick, anchor. Work evenly in all directions so the turf stays tight throughout the entire area. As you stretch, use nails as needed to lock in your tension. Remember to make sure each nail sits flat on the backing. Once your turf is stretched and secure, it's time for precision cutting around your borders, patios, and walls. Use a snap blade knife with a fresh blade and extend it far enough to cut the backing before the blades. For pavers or concrete edges, pull the turf back just enough to see the backing. Let the hard edge guide your cut and leave about 1/8 inch gap so the turf can expand without buckling. When cutting up against walls or fences, fold the turf back, press it tight into the corner, and mark where the backing lands. Cut about 6 inches at a time, then lay it down and check your fit. Don't rush this step. Clean cuts make all the difference in achieving a professional finish. With all your cuts made, it's time to secure the perimeter. Set your nails about 1/4 to 1/2 inch back from the edge, not directly on it, and space them every 3 to 4 inches in high traffic areas or 4 to 6 inches for lighter use zones. With your turf stretched, cut, and nailed, your surface is officially locked in. Next up, we'll add infill and then power broom to bring your turf to life.